afternoon, folks. Big Bo with RVs with Big Bo at Parkway RV Center. Got another nice, affordable Class A we're going to review today. This is a 2002 Winnebago Brave. Model is a 32V, so it's actually one of the smaller ones they make. Total length is 32 feet, 11 inches. It has 2 slide outs, a little over 33,000 miles, Workhorse chassis, and a really nice, well-built motorhome for the price, guys. I mean, I did a travel trailer yesterday that was the same price as this. And this is, you know, got your own motor, generator, jacks, slide outs, everything. So, like I said, 32 feet, 11 inches long. Of course, Winnebago, guys, one of the premier names in the RV industry. I mean, this was, and the Brave is pretty high up there. It's got a seamless crown fiberglass roof. 2 slide outs with awning toppers, HWH hydraulic leveling jacks, patio awning, 340 horsepower V8, 8.1 liter Vortec on a Workhorse chassis. Runs and drives great. We just drove it a few hundred miles here. Got a 5,000 pound tow capacity. Backup camera, which works. Look at the siding of it, guys. I don't see any delamination. And a fiberglass roof, you don't really have no issues up there. 5,500 Onan gasoline generator. I normally have it running, but it's under a quarter of a tank, so I didn't want to chance it. Notice how your slide out compartments come out with the slide out. Of course, Winnebago, the first manufacturer to actually design and manufacture their own frames in-house. So everything on top of the Workhorse chassis frame, the aluminum and the steel in the front, is designed by Winnebago for Winnebago RVs. I mean, they can make their own windshields. Hey, that's another thing, guys. Winnebago makes 80% of their own parts in-house. No other manufacturer does that. All the other manufacturers, they buy aftermarket parts and puts them together. But Winnebago, guys, they actually build motorhomes, not just put them together like everybody else does. And of course, that's one reason why, to this day, they're still one of the most popular brands ever made and still in business today. I mean, if it wasn't for Winnebago, we wouldn't have the modern RVs that we enjoy today. And what I like about this one, guys, it's mostly all original. Steps work great. We're going to step inside. Original carpet, which actually looks good. I gotta have the inside cleaned because I'm currently only got one part-time person cleaning the interior. So it will get cleaned before you take it home. But it's not clean now. Little dusty, but it's not just like, it's not killed or anything like that. No smoke or pet odors. Check out the old Cobra Classic CB. 33,492 miles. I know the backup camera doesn't look like it's got a clear picture on this GoPro camera. That's because of the difference in the refresh rate between this GoPro and that Sony CRT monitor, but in real life it's got a good clear picture, guys, when you see it in person. It just doesn't look like it on here. TV has been changed overhead to a modern TV. Well, wait a minute. Is this even a TV? Yeah, that's a TV. I thought it was some kind of panel for a second. What are the kind of goodies they leave in here? Blu-ray player. Got windshield looks great. Dash looks good. No pick marks on the dash padding. So they have obviously hadn't had cats or dogs in here. Upholstery looks great. Proud to be a American. Okay. Yeah. Got some area rugs in here, but it's not covering up anything. You do have real hardwood floors in the kitchen area. Winnebago builds their own cabinets in-house. They use a patented glaze that protects them from warping or any kind of water damage if you ever have any. And that's why you can look at the Winnebago cabinets from a 1970s Winnebago. The colors may be outdated, but it looks just as good as a... It looks just as good as one on a new one does. because of that glaze, and it's a patented glaze. They're the only RV. They're the only RV manufacturer that can use it. Little pop-up table right here. What we got here? Georgia, 2000, 2001. Look there, guys. It's got the original factory GPS in it. And let me tell you something. That one will never. You never have to worry about having cell signal or satellite signal with that. You do have a booth that makes a bed, and again, the upholstery looks great. So it's a 6 sleeper. Look at the carpeted headliner. Now they have changed the lights to the cool blue LEDs, which doesn't look like it throws a lot of light out during the daytime, but at nighttime, it's a total difference. So it may seem a little dark in here, but during nighttime, those lights will actually look pretty good in here. Got an 8 cubic foot Norcold RV refrigerator freezer that's clean, that runs off propane or electric, and I've got it on propane. I'm starting to get cold, but not really got there yet, so we'll let it run for a little bit. Got a microwave, 3-burner stove top and oven. It's got double ducted roof airs. Slide out pantry. Yeah, I know these Winnebagos very well, guys. I owned a Winnebago Adventurer for many years. It's really, of course, a few years newer than this one, but it was really a good motorhome, guys. And you got a big shower right here. Look around that skylight, no signs of water damage or leak damage. Sink area looks good. You actually got for a 32V, or for this size motorhome, it's got a big bedroom area. There's you an extra chair, which I could actually set it right here. It's like a makeup or desk or get ready area right here. So, you know, if you're you know, need a place to work from home or whatever, if you're going to be on the road, make a good little work area, and you set that chair there. Big closet in the back. You got lots of drawer space. Solid sliding door for privacy. Queen Island bed. Look at the original bedspread, guys, from 20 years ago. Got your RV toilet. Looks like they got it on a pedestal. It is a porcelain RV toilet. And vent fan, all that good stuff in here. Notice the wallpaper border is not peeling around the edges, so this thing hasn't been stored in extreme heat. You know, if you're wanting a medium-sized Class A and you're not wanting to spend a lot of money, this is a great option for you. Even though I got an incredible price on this, man, I love these old Winnebagos. Yeah, I really do. These things just really hold up better than so many other brands out there. I mean, here it is, guys. You ever wonder if a Winnebago's a well-built motorhome? Look at this one, 20 years old, looks this good. You know, there's only a few brands from back then that would hold up this well after 20 years, and this is definitely one of them. But anyway, even though this thing's only $29.9, guys, I'm still going to guarantee the generator to work. I'm going to guarantee the slides to work. I'm going to guarantee both roof airs to work, the refrigerator, freezer to work, the steps to work. I'm guaranteed to go down the road like it's supposed to. And, you know, as far as shifting and stopping and all that. And we do guarantee the water systems. So we're going to put water on it, check your water heater, water pump, make sure all that stuff works. So if it doesn't, we're going to fix it, no additional cost to you. Of course, everything else sold as is. And guys, it's 20-year-old motorhome. Anybody else you buy one from this age, it's 100% as is, but at least we check all the major stuff. We leave the Mickey Mouse stuff to you, the buyer. And that way we can keep our prices down, because, you know, there's not many dealers that's going to have a 33,000 mile double slide Winnebago in good shape with any kind of guarantee for under 30 grand, but we do. I mean, we carry something for everybody, whether it's 20 grand, 30 grand, 50 grand, 100,000, whatever. We have options for you guys. We carry a wide variety of price ranges for everybody, so you know, at least that we can within reason. I'm not going, you know, I got an email the other day looking for a class B motorhome for $6,000 that didn't need anything. I said, well, all you got to do is go back in time 20 years, invent a time machine, and go buy one. But you know, some things are just impossible to find, and that's one of them. Not saying you can't find one, but it's going to need a lot of work. And you know, I think this is definitely on the lower end of the price scale. If you want a decent motorhome in the current market, I think it's going to sell very quickly. If it's something you think you're interested in, give us a call, guys, at 706-965-7929. I'll get the inside cleaned up for you. Don't worry, guys. It's on the list. You know, we'll get some gas put in it so we can run the generator and all that stuff. But if you're interested in this motorhome, guys, give us a call. That's the next step. If you want it, you know, you just got to give us a call, 706-965-7929. Today's Saturday. We'll be here till 5 o'clock, closed Sundays, of course. Of course, happy Easter to everybody. Let's not forget the reason for the celebration, the resurrection of our Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. So, happy Easter, everybody. Hope you'll have a great time with family and friends and all that. So, but what I'm getting at, guys, you need to call if you're interested. We are closed tomorrow, but we open back up Monday. We're open Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern time. Come out and visit with us, guys. You'll be glad you did. We're going to save you some money. We're going to let you just simply look without going through a sales office. You can look without being escorted by a salesperson. Everything's open, y'all. We got RVs everywhere, piled on top of each other. I mean, I got stuff. Of course, they're going out quickly, and we're always buying, guys. In fact, if you've got a motorhome for sale, write this number down. If you've got a motorhome for sale and it's nice, I don't want projects. If it needs work or a lot of work, I don't mind carpet, or you know, if I have to have some furniture recovered or something like that, I can, you know, as long as the price is right, I'll buy something like that. But if you've got one for sale, write this phone number down. You can call him, text him, send him pictures, whatever. 423-605-6747. Of course, that's if you want to sell an RV only. If you want to buy this motorhome or any other one that we have for sale, or you got questions about it, call this number, 706-965-7929. And be glad to help you there. We have nationwide delivery for $1.50 a loaded mile. We have we take trade-ins. Now, guys, we don't have financing on this motorhome because it's 20 years old. All of our lenders will not go back this far. So this is pretty much a cash or trade sale only. If you need financing, you'll have to check with your own bank, credit union, or whomever you normally borrow money from to see if they offer anything on a 2002 Winnebago Brave 32V. And if you need anything, us to email or fax them, give us a call. One of my salespeople will be glad to do it for you. But you'll have to contact them to initiate the loan process. But our lenders do not don't finance on anything this age. So again, you'll have to arrange your own financing, guys. I apologize. We look, and I talk to the finance manager here about this all the time, guys. We're all the time looking for finance sources that will do long-term RV loans on older RVs, but these banks are just getting further and further away from it, guys. They're wanting, in fact, probably 90% of the RV banks out there only want a loan on RVs 10 years old or newer. So anything older than 12, they have a hard time. I do have a couple of different lenders that will go back to about an 06 and 05, but that's about it. And that's only with stellar credit and rates a little higher and terms a little bit shorter, but better than most banks can do. That's why I always tell people, especially on these older units, check with your bank or credit union, see what they can do, what their limitations are on the year model and the money amount, and before you start RV shopping, so you got some kind of basis of comparison. We have no fees, no dock fees, no prep fees, none of that stuff. It's $29.9, haggle-free firm plus applicable sales tax. We do have to charge $100 highway impact fee, $40 to $50 tag and title fee. For Georgia residents only. Out of state, you don't pay that. And like I said, we offer nationwide delivery, $1.50 a loaded mile one way. If you're interested in that, give us a call and we'll get it set up. Thank you for watching, guys. Smash me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Just a quick Saturday motorhome video, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Even if this is not what you're looking for or too old for you, it's still cool to me to be in these older RVs and spend some time in them. And of course, you know, I've been in this industry so long. I remember when this thing right here was, RVs like this were brand spanking new. I mean, 25 years is a long time to be in this industry, and that's how long I've been in it. And so it's really kind of cool to see these things in this nice of condition. It's a treat to me. I know a lot of these younger reviewers on YouTube, they would be completely lost in a motorhome like this if they ever had to review it, but I'm not. So, you know, experience goes a long way. Anyway, guys, thank y'all so much for watching. Appreciate it. And happy Easter, everybody. And look forward to seeing you here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.